So this is what it looks like. It feels like gooey, just like gummy bears. Yeah, that's why it's something like, and that's what it is when you're chewing it. Is I'm gonna eat it. I am. I mean, you know, I was not gonna put that back, right? I didn't believe that I was gonna put it back. Hi, family. My name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So, as you've seen by the title, it is an unboxing and review of the Goli Gummies. So, here's what happened, right? I went live. I did like 3 attempts to unbox and do the review for you guys, but the gods of live screen was not letting me today. Okay, so here's the one I already tasted. I took 2 out of it, and after this I gotta go work out like I said in my live screen, but I had to remove it because it was not working. So I'm not gonna be tasting it again in this video because my plan is to take 2 a day just to make sure I have it for the 30 days, because this is a 30-day supply. Description, it says take up to 2 to 4 gummies daily. So the Goli gummy is gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, unfiltered. So unfiltered meaning it has the mother in it. So that's good because the regular apple cider vinegar, I love it because of what it does, but I never look forward to taking it at all, because if you have drank it before, you know how it tastes. It's never pleasant. If you gotten used to it, okay, but I never gotten used to it, but I don't stop taking it. I take it daily. So I'm gonna be supplementing that for the Goli apple cider vinegar for the next 30 days to see whether or not if I'm gonna continue even with the other 2 in here. Okay, currently when I weighed myself this morning, I was at 140. My main concern is to see if it's gonna make me use the bathroom regularly, because not only that the regular apple cider vinegar keep me going consistently, it also helped me keep my weight balanced, and I shed pound every now and then. So I will hope that this does it as well, because this really have a lot of good stuff in it. So if you are somebody who has problem, you know, regularly using the bathroom and you do not like the regular apple cider vinegar, you can try this too. I mean, you either want to wait and see what I think about it 30 days from now, and regardless of my results and opinion, I say you give it a try, because there's a lot of testimony I have seen on this. When I tasted it this morning, it was like you guys, my hands are clean, so I think I'm okay to put it back in because I'm not ready to eat it. So this is what it looks like. It feels like gooey, just like gummy bears. Yeah, that's why it's something like, and that's what it is when you're chewing it. Is I'm gonna eat it. I am. I mean, you know, I was not gonna put that back, right? I didn't believe that I was gonna put it back. So yeah, it is sweet, but it's not a straight up sugar. It has like a taste to it. I taste a little salt. It tastes like it's a little salty, sweet, all that mixture. So I'm not smelling the vinegar. That's a good thing, but it's meant to work. So yeah, I'm having that sensation again. Is a little tinkle or burn that I'm feeling, but not like unbearing. But I know that I tasted something different, that I put something in my system. That's what it's like doing. So hopefully that means it's working or whatnot. But I definitely look forward to seeing how this does. I'm gonna go ahead and go work out. A lot of people claim to lose anywhere from 5 pounds and more, depending on what you do when you take this supplement. But you guys know I work out, so I am gonna be working out. So hopefully I can shed enough pound, or at least it does not alter my regulation to the bathroom. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling a sensation in my mouth and as it go down. So yeah, that definitely tells me that something is happening. Hopefully something good. All right, yeah. You guys, I can't say much about it right now until after my 30-day supply is over. Then I can say it. But so far, it tastes very good. Whew. I don't got to take apple cider vinegar shot this morning. That is good. I am here for that. But I mean, hopefully it's not just sugar. That's where I'm getting at. Hopefully it's not just sugar and it does something for us, because it has a lot of nutrients that are good for you in here. Taste the apple without the vinegar. Yep, most definitely. All right, so I will catch you all in my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit that notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. I will see you 30 days from now to see whether or not we're gonna diss this or continue with it. Bye.